This metal melting furnace weighs 50 tons. It is by far the largest and heaviest exhibit at the GIFA. Quite the monstrous furnace. But it is one that requires less energy than its small predecessors. We have saved up to 5% within the past 2 generations alone. And there are already new techniques, especially in the field of inductive coil design, with which we are also hoping to reach another 5%. We are continuously taking small steps. Environment protection through material and energy savings, the overall motto of the metal trade fairs. For the first time, the visitors at the eco-metal trails have the opportunity to specifically take a look at stalls with a particular environmental relevance. For example, the core shooting machine by ASK Chemicals. At the trade fair, it makes tiny racing cars out of special sand. When used industrially, it produces special mold elements like this one. These kinds of elements are used for the production of engine blocks, which can withstand high speed at a small cubic capacity, a necessity for low fuel consumption. However, this system specifically can cause stronger cooling during the casting process or enable cooling in some areas directly in the casting process, which makes the aluminium solidify faster, resulting in a better structure, which ultimately leads to stronger components, making the motors more resistant. The components are becoming more and more solid as people remain the way they are and need more protection from toxic chemicals in the workplace. This is where this robot comes in. Just like its twin proves to be water resistant in the wet room, it is immune to moisture and virtually all pollutants. In the automobile production, it works where no human could survive. One thing we can specifically say about our new wash robot is that it is completely sealed. What makes it special is the acid resistance and the resistance to all kind of acid and alkaline detergents. So one could say that it is just like the Terminator. Just a few feet further on, the visitors can find out if they are even half as hard as the mini Terminators. The Robo-Coaster is an industrial robot which was transformed into an extreme carousel and lets anyone who will dare find out if they are afraid of heights or not.